Hello dear children, hope you all are safe and healthy. Are you all ready for your GK class? Come on, let's begin. In lesson 2, we are going to learn about natural phenomena. A natural phenomenon is an event that we see in nature. It is natural. It is not man-made. It is not in the control of man. Most of the natural events are harmless, but some of them are dangerous. Come on, let's see the natural events that is occurring in nature, like lightning, snow, rainbow, rain, dew, fire, thunder, hail, fog and wind. So rain is harmless, but heavy rain for many days can cause floods. Now, take your page number 10 on lesson 2. Write the date on top of the page and see the pictures given. Complete the crossword puzzles with the names of natural phenomenon. Now, the first one is, see, I wrote on the board. The first one is lightning. The second one is snow. S-N-O-W, snow. Third one is rainbow. R-A-I-N. Rain. B-O-W. Rainbow. Fourth one is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Fifth one, dew. D-E-W. Dew. Sixth one, fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. Seventh one, thunder. T-H-U-N-D-E-R. Thunder. Eighth one, hill. H-I-L-L. Hill. Ninth one, fog. F-O-G. Fog. 10th one, wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. So children, complete the work on this page 10 and learn these words and write 2 times in your rough notebook. Children, take page number 11. Natural Phenomena Quiz. Take this quiz to find out how much you know about the natural phenomena. The first one. Take your pencil, underline the correct answer. Tick the answer and underline it. The blanket of air seen on a cold winter morning. Now, which is the correct one? Fog, dew, frost. So, tick fog. Second one, the small hard balls of ice that fall from the sky. The options are storm, rain, hail. So, the hail is the correct answer. Tick hail. H-A-I-L. Hail. Third one, rainbows caused by sunlight always appear in the sky. The options are opposite the sun, near the sun, below the sun. The correct answer is opposite the sun. Take the first one. Fourth one. A wind which carries clouds on fine dust over a large area. The options are cyclonic storm, hailstorm, dust storm. The correct answer is dust storm. Fifth one. A rainbow caused by moonlight is called moonbow, night bow, light bow. The correct answer is moonbow. Sixth one. A gentle wind is called breeze, gale, storm. The correct answer is breeze. Seventh one. Traveling over snow is called snowing, skiing and gliding. Correct one is skiing. S-K-I-I-N-G. Eighth one. The hole in the air made by lightning is called channel, route, tunnel. The correct one is route. R-O-U-T-E, route. Ninth one. Thunderstorms most often happen in the morning, afternoon, night. Correct answer is afternoon. 10th one. When there is a thunderstorm, options: go swimming, find shelter, move to an open space. The correct answer is to find shelter. 11th one. A fog is formed when it is very hot, cold, humid. Cold. 12th one. A thin kind of fog is called dew, mist, frost. The correct answer is mist. M-I-S-T, mist. Now children, learn the natural phenomenon and write this 2 times in your rough book. Children, do the given work and read lesson 2. Thank you children. God bless you. See you in the next class.